Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to convert decimal numbers to binary. Converting decimal numbers to binary is a fundamental skill that is useful in computer science, programming and various other fields. As you can see here, a decimal number is expressed in base 10 whereas a binary number is expressed in base 2 using only the digits 0 and 1. The steps to convert a decimal number to a binary number are as follows. Step 1. Divide the decimal number by 2 and write down the quotient and remainder. Step 2. Divide the quotient from step 1 by 2 and write down the quotient and remainder. After that, repeat step 2 until the quotient is 0. Finally, write the remainders in reverse order to get a binary number. Let's learn it by taking an example. 29 in this case. First, we divide 29 by 2. We get quotient 14 and remainder 1. In second step, we divide the quotient from previous step, that is 14 by 2. Then we get quotient 7 and remainder 0. Again, we divide the quotient from previous step, that is 7 by 2. We get quotient 3 and remainder 1. Again, dividing the quotient from previous step by 2, we get a quotient 1 and remainder 1. After one last division of the quotient by 2, we get quotient 0 and remainder 1. Finally, we write the remainder in reverse order. So, we get 11101 to the base 2, which is the final answer. Therefore, 29 to the base 10 is equal to 11101 to the base 2. Let's recap the steps quickly. To convert a decimal number to binary, we divide the decimal number by 2. Write down the quotient and remainder. Repeat the process until the quotient is 0. And finally, write the remainders in reverse order to get the binary number. That's all for today's video. I hope you understand the process clearly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one.